One of the very powerful platform as a service capabilities within Azure is the Azure SQL database. And the idea behind that is exactly what platform as a service is. You need the functionality of SQL Server, but you don't want to incur the operational or licensing costs directly of creating a SQL Server server, or more likely creating an entire set of servers that are running SQL Server, whether it's clustered, whether it's always on availability, to maintain high availability, flexibility, performance, etc. So to avoid all of that, one option that you have is to use the Azure SQL database. It is, as we say here, a fully managed database solution. Simple as that. It is also, and this is very important, highly compatible with existing tools. And we'll see this. We'll take a look at the different tools and how you can use them to interact with an Azure SQL database. So if you are a SQL Server administrator and you're used to using, let's say, SQL Server Management Studio, or even SQL CMD, or maybe you're a developer and you interact with SQL Server directly through the tools that are built into Visual Studio, that's all still there. That's all still available. Now, it's not exactly the same as it is for on-premises because there's things you're not doing. You're not setting up backup and recovery, just as one simple example. So a lot of the server level things are not there because that's the whole point. It's being done in the Azure environment, Microsoft and Azure doing that for you. Okay, it already has, as I mentioned, built-in high availability. It's also got predictable performance and the ability to scale out as well, effectively scale up. And so you purchase how much you need, and we'll take a look at that. We'll talk about that. But that's really the idea. It's giving you a very simple to create and maintain, really almost zero maintenance unless you need to do something, solution for SQL Server in Azure.